How to download Google Docs on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download Google Docs on your Android device. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and just search in for Google Docs. So once you search in for Google Docs, it will appear like this. So just tap on the first link, as you can see, which is the Google Docs. It has over 1 billion plus downloads. So just tap on install and wait for a few seconds. So this is the official Google Docs application for the Android. You can also see from over here by sample. So once it gets successfully installed, just tap on open button over here to successfully open the application. And you can also log in with your Gmail. And just to create a new file, you can just click on this plus icon over here and create a new document file. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.